Welcome back. Now, it's the oldest rivalry in the Caribbean football, Jamaica against Trinidad and Tobago. The two will meet on Thursday at the Hasely Crawford Stadium starting at 7 p.m. Jamaica time.
The Reggae Boys have met Trinidad and Tobago's Soca Warriors 59 times, with the Jamaicans winning 24, while 10 ended in drawn results. The boys could join Trinidad with 25 wins, especially with a squad of players who are largely out of competition. But coach Theodore Whitmore says it's a challenge for the locally based players to make a mark.
This game only served to give players going forward, local players, so to speak. I hate to use the word local, but the players who played in a local league, so to speak, to give them a chance and games, because we don't want to only for them to be training players. We have to find games to give them to improve, to showcase their talent, and we welcome this Trinidad game, and it's an opportunity for them to really go out there and fill that gap.
One of the players who is looking forward to some playing time is midfielder Kahim Paris.
So I can express myself and show them and show the coaches that I need to be in this team, and I'm not going to get in out of this team while I'm 17 years old.
Shaven Sean Paul is expected to get the nod in goal ahead of Amal Knight, but that's not a problem to the UWI custodian, who relishes the position of being on national duty.
I think that the exposure will you can take it back to the club level locally, and you can look forward to more things. You'll look at things from a different perspective. So even if I don't get playing time, the experience will be very good for me.
The last time the Jamaicans beat TNT in a friendly international was back in 2010. The Soca Warriors won the last friendly in 2013, but it was the Jamaicans who drew last blood with a penalty shootout win in the 2014 Caribbean Cup final. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.